going to be trying to navigate the family law rules, notices, and practice directions. And just before we begin, there is that materials folder, and in it will be a copy of these slides. I usually put the slides in after, because if there are any mistakes as we go along, I fix them up and then I upload them. And you should already find something called a hands-on guide to the court process. And I'm going to explain to you what hands-on guide means right now with the agenda. Because the agenda, I've tried to keep it very short, and it's going to start with a rant, okay? And then we're going to go through separating this concept of procedure and substance or substantive family law. I'm going to talk to you about Tetris. I hope you don't mind the analogy, but you'll see it makes a lot of sense when you see it. And then I'm going to give you the things that you need to start thinking about so that you know to look for them. It's the unknown, the known unknowns, the things that you're going to need to know, but if you don't know about them, to think about them, how are you going to know it? So that's what that is. And then we're going to do some examples, hopefully through your assistance, but otherwise I have some of my own. And if you have any questions to clean this up. Okay, so let's just start with the rant.